Welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Normally you see my videos in chronological order. It's very rare that I'll do an intro at the end of the day. It's always at the beginning of the day, so you see things as they happen. But this one's a bit different because when I got to Pakistan and did those TV interviews, or the TV interview, and the interviews is a bit of an exaggeration, they wanted Pakistani content on there, and I already had 9 videos ready to go, scheduled to go on YouTube. So now that I've left Pakistan again, we're going back to the India videos. So what you're going to see for the next 9 videos, including this one, happened about 4 months ago. Well guys, this is a very, very poor village. I just turned the camera on at the end, but the whole village was like this. This is about the only building, so this must be where the mayor lives or something. I don't know what Google Maps is doing with me today, but taking me through some pretty poor, highly populated areas. We'll get somewhere soon. I want to get on a highway. I just went through my 2 hours, so I'll be looking for fuel. Now I've got plenty of fuel, guys. 2 hours I used maybe 4 or 5 litres, and this tank's 23 litres I think. So, but I do like to fuel up every 2 hours just to be sure. And I've got the 2-hour sore butt, which happens maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours into a day. My ass hurts like crazy. But then, as long as I just sort of grit my teeth and bear with it, I get a second wind, which lasts till about 5 or 6 hours. Morning, all loaded, ready to go, day 2. It's Saturday. I've booked my hotel in New Delhi for Monday, so really I've got 3 days to get there, but my plan is to get to the outskirts of Delhi tomorrow night, so Sunday night, and I can just have a nice easy ride into my hotel Monday morning. Yeah, this was a really nice hotel, and sorry to the owners, but I couldn't pronounce the name if I tried, even if I had it written in front of me. But for now guys, I'm on the way to New Delhi. That's the way I came. If you remember in the heading to after Lucknow, one of the videos after Lucknow anyway, I came a really country route with a lot of traffic. That was that way to the right, but this time and just stopped for some breakfast. Went through a bit of a rainy section there, but potato cakes in a kind of dal, delicious. They're different everywhere you go, but it's one of my favourite things to eat in India. Actually, that's not right. I've got a few favourites, but it's pretty yummy. Cup of chai, so I'll sit here and relax for a bit and get some more miles up. We're about 180 k's out of Lucknow. I'd stay there, but I'm such a creature of habit. I always like to stay in the same hotel I stayed at before. And the hotel in Lucknow, I don't know if you remember, but it was terrible. So we'll see what happens when I get there. Well guys, I'm in Lucknow. I don't know why, but I could have got some more hours. It's only lunchtime, but I was exhausted. But now I know why, because now I've stopped. It's about 40 degrees, 45 degrees. No wonder I was so exhausted. But they had a special in Agoda, one of the ones I talk about a lot around the world, and I'm staying at the Hilton for about 50 US a night, maybe a bit less than 50. So I'm very happy, comfortable room. There was no channels in English, but here pay TV is very easy to fix. So I'm just going to find a shop, get some agua con gas, because there's a fridge in the room, a few snacks maybe, and then I'm going to go back, let my sore bottom recover. Now where I'm staying is the Hilton, which is just here. Got the Hyatt Regency here, another big flash hotel here, and they've got all these flash restaurants and a spa and things. And look at it guys, look at the condition of it. Rubbish everywhere. People spend all this money in this country getting stuff. They like to make money, but they don't like to spend it to keep their upkeep. That's why I would have stayed. Remember last time I was here, I was in the... I would have stayed there again, but it was just terrible, guys. 4 stars. Now, I think we've got like 7 hours to New Delhi, so I'll do probably 5 or 6 of that today and have a nice easy ride into New Delhi in the morning. Well, I didn't realise last time that Lucknow loves roundabouts. This is about the 7th or 8th one I've been past this morning. Guys, we're on the outskirts of Delhi. Now it's about an hour to my hotel, which I haven't got booked till tomorrow. That was my plan. I'm not going to battle. It was 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not going to battle the New Delhi peak hour traffic. So the next decent hotel I see, I'm going to stop, sleep the night, and then it's an easy ride to my hotel in the morning. A subscriber I was just talking to down the road, he waved me down, said, "Oh, it's your subscriber." That was pretty cool, but he said there's plenty of hotels along here. So I'll find something shortly. And guys, this is where I stayed last night, the Crescent Inn. Really nice, about an hour out of Delhi. It's an hour to my hotel that I've got booked. So I'm gonna head off now. We're all loaded, ready to go. These are my very nice hosts. Yeah. I was really surprised to find such a nice hotel, but now I'm looking at another one and another. So yeah, it's a much better area than it looks. 5 minutes from my hotel, another hour of this. Oh guys, this is why I didn't come in last afternoon. It would have been heaps worse. Well, I'm here, New Delhi. Just staying at the Sky Suites Hotel there. Pretty comfy, nice hotel, really nice hotel. And the traffic this morning was a bit insane. But guys, I'm a bit behind on editing, so that's what I'm going to do today. I've got about 3 videos to catch up on. So I'm going to go and do that, be lazy. Now this is the district I'm staying in New Delhi. Across here is Aero City. That's where I was looking at in booking.com, Agoda. Some beautiful hotels over there, guys. But I saw this place that was about 2 nights for the price of 4 or 5 nights over there. But it's, well, I'm at the wrong side of the tracks. But here's all right, guys. Heaps of food, heaps of things to do. A lot of hawkers trying to hassle me. Every second shop's a spa nagging me to come in, which I'm not going to do. But for now, I'm looking for something to eat. And guys, that few days of riding, I rode pretty hard. I'm sore today. It took all my energy to get out of bed to come and get some food. But now, I'm going to eat something. Guys, this is Abhishek. He's from NA Tattoo in New Delhi, and we're both members of the same online creator academy. It's Lost Creator Academy. It's helped me a lot in the past, but I've known of Abhishek for maybe 2.5 years now, and I knew he was going to be my Indian tattoo. So we're just in his shop here, and we're going to get done. Check out his channel, guys. I'll put a link in the description. This is Abhishek's studio. This is receptionist here. Hello. Yeah, that's the Om tattoo, the Om symbol, which is one of the most important symbols in the Hindu religion. So very important for India. Oh, guys, that was easy. And Abhishek refused to take any money. What a nice bloke. What a really, really nice man. And I've got so much food. I'm so hungry. I just got this potato sandwich. I had pani puri. I've got a heap of stuff in my bag. I bought some sweets for the guy that opens the door for me every time. He's been such a nice guy. Oh, that's getting nagged to have a massage again. And I doubt these are even massages. I'm pretty sure they're brothels. Anyway, they're just trying to make money, I guess. Well, I was still hungry, so I'm back out again. Got another couple of potato sandwiches. Delicious. The cakes I bought are still, I gave 2 to the doorman. Now I'm his best friend, but I gave another 2 I bought for myself. I don't feel like eating sweet, so I came back out for the sandwiches. Guys, one thing I like about Muslim countries is there's no drunks. There was 3 guys where I was getting my sandwich. One of them was a big, mean-looking guy, and they were smiling and laughing with me. But it doesn't take much for someone drunk on whiskey. Whoops, that's my turn off. Yeah, it doesn't take much for someone drunk on whiskey to change. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.